Feels like I have come to the 70s or something. This is actually more difficult than I thought. Bhagwan mujhe shakti dena. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. My name is Anupama. For today's video, I thought let's do a social experiment. There has been a lot of movies and a lot of web series and a lot of documentaries about the usage of social media. So I thought let's do a challenge. It'll be a challenge for me of not using social media for 24 hours. I'm not very sure how easy or difficult this is going to be. Actually, I thought कि I'll do like a social media detox for a week, but then I thought कि week बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Like let's try and dip our toe into it and see. वैसे I don't think that I am addicted to social media. By social media, I mean that I'm not going to be using Facebook and Instagram for a day for 24 hours. Facebook, I think, won't be that difficult. But yeah, Instagram is going to be a little bit of a challenge. Instagram is like a fridge, you know. मतलब वो तो खुलता ही रहता है, खुलता ही रहता है. दिन भर कुछ नहीं चाहिए तो भी खुलते ही रहते हैं हम. If I can keep up with it, then probably I'll try and do this like a once a month kind of thing, and let me see ki what is the difference that it makes in our life, because we read about it a lot. So I thought let's put all that into practice and see ki kya exactly kya hota hai without social media. So right now the time is correct 8:30. So tomorrow 8:30 a.m. tak, no Facebook, no Insta. I'm not there on Twitter or Snapchat. But from my end, I thought I will try and do no WhatsApp kind of a thing as well, just to up the difficulty level. So let's try and do this social experiment of social detox, like how people say कि आज के ज़माने का fasting is like no social media. 24 hours seems a lot now. So now we'll have to think of things to fill up in these 24 hours. But before we proceed, I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, so that you are notified of all the fun videos that I upload. Are you with me? Are you with me? Do you want to see the challenge? Let's go. Hi guys, so I'm now with my morning tea. I need to start my day with tea, varna I just don't feel fresh. So I'm going to have my tea right now. I'm sitting next to a window and I am just like thinking कि ये 24 hours में मुझे क्या क्या करना है. How do I pass the time? I want this to be like a productive day, वरना तो I can actually sleep the entire day and pass time. But that's not the whole point. वैसे घर का कुछ कुछ काम है which I think I'll like do it in the morning right after this tea. And then probably I'll have my breakfast and then let's see क्या क्या करना है. Okay, so right now the time is 10:30. This is generally the room where I do all shooting, editing and stuff, and this room badly needs a cleaning. This cleaning had been actually pending from a very long time. Okay, so this is actually my camera bag. I have not unpacked it since the Goa trip. So a lot of things are still inside, and I have like some stuff here which I need to clean it, some stuff inside. And so I need to clean the whole bed, and yay! Okay, you guys won't believe I cleaned my bed, I unpacked, I kept everything in place, and it's only been 5 minutes. It's 10:36 now. 10:36. I can just like see that I have like few notifications here, but I'm not going to look at them. So अब क्या करना है? Oh yeah, today is the 28th of Jan and there is actually something today. Today is actually the day that I officially started putting out videos on YouTube. Today was the day that I made my first ever upload. I was not really serious about it. It was just like a trial kind of a thing and my first video sucked. I made this video on a makeup product and I was coming back from office. Suddenly I just thought that let me try this. So I took out my phone and I started filming when I got home. Now when I look back at it, of course there is a sentimental value to it because you know that was the first time I ever tried and I did not tell anyone that I'm going to make this. I saw that it was pretty okay, so I actually uploaded it to YouTube and then I showed it to Sahil and to mom as well. And that's when they said that, you know what, you have a flair for this, like you can talk well. And that's when I started regularly uploading. So that was the story. If you actually go and see my first video, I was so conscious and I was so nervous and I memorized the entire video before sitting and talking word by word. I did not know the concept कि मैं cut कर सकती हूँ, जोड़ सकती हूँ and all those things. But yeah, it still holds a special place in my heart. Okay, मैं बहुत हिम्मत कर रही हूँ. I will place the link in the description box if you guys want to check out that video and see. But today is 1 year on YouTube. I cannot believe it. 1 year, 60 videos. It is quite an achievement. And it's all possible because of you lovely, lovely people out there.
I just wanted to say thanks.
So I just did the dishes and came back and thoda default mode mein I opened the Instagram. It was just like for a second I opened and I immediately realized that I was not supposed to, but then it just came out of habit. So one mistake already done. So what I just thought was let me order a pastry or something and we will celebrate the 1 year of YouTube. So let's order this creamy coffee pastry. Yay, I'm so thrilled. We're gonna do this. Let's do this. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm thinking of masking my face. Actually my skin has gone pretty dry. It's like compressed mask. They have given a bowl. So I have this argan facial oil. I'm gonna take a lot of this oil. So right now the time is 12:15. देखते हैं lunch का क्या करना है. Hi. I'm thinking I'll make lunch today.
Okay, very nice. So what are you planning to make?
I don't know. You tell me. What is there at home? और ज़्यादा difficult
No,
नहीं.
no. Yesterday's chicken curry we already have. Afternoon that is enough, good enough. Chapati we can.
Okay, so I'll make chapati.
Atta is there. Only thing please don't mess my kitchen, okay?
Let's start making chapati. Okay, so right now the time is 1:20. So ideally what I would have done at this point is that since I'm reading this book, I would have taken a picture of this book and put it as Insta story. It's just one of those compelling things that you have. Like, I made chapatis. I was so tempted to make a funny kind of an Insta reel, but it's okay. Also, what I'm trying to do is that I'm also trying not to use phone in general as much as possible. Of course, I did use a phone like couple of times. It actually feels like I have come to the 70s or something, where I'm not even using the phone and I'm just having like proper conversations with people and doing other things. I feel good. And I did so many things, and it's only 1:20 in the afternoon. I actually did consider cleaning my cupboard, but then I opened it and I saw that it was so messy that himmat hi nahi hui. So I'm not up for that challenge. Maybe we can do that challenge some other time. I was going through my YouTube analytics and I went into WhatsApp. The moment I opened it, I realized that I made a mistake. This is too hard. This is actually more difficult than I thought. Bhagwan, mujhe shakti dena. Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock right now. Right now, I thought that I have this new ring light over here. This was actually a gift for our anniversary. So it's been about 15 days, more than 15 days since we had this. I have not yet opened this ring light. I already have a ring light over here, but this one is actually with a stand. It's attached to a stand. So I'm pretty much excited to unbox this. So the pastry that we have ordered is here, creme coffee pastry. I love the smell of coffees. So for cake cutting, or rather pastry cutting, we have a chief guest here. He has been a part of my YouTube journey. He's the one who actually encouraged me. Come into the frame. He was so busy today, I had to literally drag him. He's now going back to his work.
I'm only here for the pastry.
Initial few videos, I did not even have a tripod with me, and he was the tripod. Like, he was holding the camera and I was like speaking into the camera. Ye haath ko kitna dard hua rahega. Muscles.
Aren't you supposed to pay me for whatever I've done?
Pay you with love.
Or you can pay me with the pastry.
I've got something for you guys as well. Card that I got with the pastry, and I have written this for you guys. Dear family, thank you for the unconditional love and support from Lifeaholic. Okay, he has written Lifeaholic, spelling wrong.
Life-aholic.
I have so much fun putting out videos for you guys because you guys are the best.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. I'm just thinking that probably we'll go out for dinner. What I'm planning to do is I'll not carry my phone along so that I'm not tempted to open anything in my phone. I just hope that tonight I don't open any of these social media accounts, because whenever I wake up in between my sleep, I immediately like reach out to my phone and I check.
Maybe you can leave your phone in another room or something.
Phone is like necessity, na? What if like raat ko emergency hai to?
People whom you love sleeping right next to you. So what emergency are you talking about?
What if in case like चोर आ गया घर पे और किसी को चुपके से फोन लगाना है बुलाने के लिए तो I'll try and not look at my phone throughout the night. That is my target. Morning 8:30, my 24 hours challenge would get over and I will give you guys an update. Good morning guys. Right now the time is 8:25. So we have like a 5 minutes wait. So I thought I'll give you guys a quick update. So yesterday me and Sahil went out for dinner. I did not carry my phone. I couldn't check anything. So we actually ended up having a very good time. We had like very good conversation, undistracted, like undivided attention. Today morning when I woke up, I instantly by mistake opened Insta. I did not check anything. I closed it immediately, but yeah, that happened. So when I was checking my YouTube analytics, I found out something about you guys. I just got to know that the people who have been enjoying my video, most of them have not subscribed to my channel. 62.8% of the people watching my videos and have been enjoying my videos have not subscribed to my channel. What? Guys, this is not a good number. Please do click that subscribe button. Please do hit that bell icon so that you can watch all the videos. Whenever I post a video, YouTube is going to let you know. यार मतलब वो क्लिक करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ पाऊंगी. If you guys like my videos, then be a part of my family. Like, I'll welcome you with open arms. So it's 8:31. Yay! We achieved it! 24 hours without social media. How was the experience? The experience was good. Like, it was a very good thing that I did this. So I did not open Facebook, Insta and WhatsApp. I think the most difficult one was WhatsApp. FB, I was still okay. Insta was a little bit difficult. Overall, what I felt was that I got a lot of free time. I felt like I could properly utilize 24 hours. Will I want to continue it, or will I want to make it like a ritual once a month kind of a thing? Probably yes. Yes, there was a little bit of FOMO, fear of missing out, but I could overcome that, and I was like, ठीक है, मतलब, you know, one day there's nothing emergency that's going on in social media accounts, so it's okay to not look at it for a day and just like stay away from phone in general, which I tried to as much as possible. So yeah, I think it was quite a successful experiment. If you guys have also tried something like this, or if you're planning to do something like that, then let me know in the comment section. I would love to read. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please do not forget to click that like button, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I showed you the analytics. Not good people, you are not subscribing to me. Click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are notified whenever I upload a video and you guys can enjoy it. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye. Bye now.